Hey YouTube, this is my Mathias Taylor's 2011, and it's not even 2011, so my December. Okay, this is my bike check. Fuck it. I don't know. These are. Let's start off with the grips. These are Edwin De La Rosa grips. Pretty good. Blue, came with the regular bar ends that come with all their grips. This is Garrett Reynolds Premium Whiskey Bar Signature Bar, 27 width, 8-inch rise. And this is the Shadow Striker stem. It's really good. I would recommend this stem to anybody because it's gangsta and it's a Shadow Conspiracy. Then these are DK race forks. They're really light. They're 27 ounces and they've held up great since I've had them. This is the Haro ALB front wheel. Animal TWW 20-inch. They're all 20-inch. Hex valve caps down there. Don't get too close. Okay. And this is just stock gyro, you know, regular gyro, regular cord, stock frame. But then this is the Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat, and the Fit, the invisible seat post in there. Fit Bike Co. Colony Fantastic Plastic right here. Colony BB kit, bottom bracket, premium 1948 cranks. The Animal ASM wheel. This is really nice. Garrett Reynolds has this too. Haro conversion kit 25.9 regular with the hex. Came with that and it came with a sprocket over here, and this is just a TMC chain, blue 1.8. And that concludes my bike check. Be sure to check out my other videos on my channel, like Lucas Watkins, How to Whiplash, BMX Edit. He's coming out with a new edit also. And comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.